Unang hello lang. Ay, naggulat ako doon, B.
Paanong gulat yan, B?
Ha? Mamaya, pag may nag-comment sa'yo, sino yung katabi mo lagi?
Si bakit?
Jowa niya.
Ako yung HR niya. Send your application. lovetabuan@gmail.com.
Kasi ikaw yung nabeton. Paano ba yan? Parehas mo kami single!
Uy, ako. Yes, single din.
Oh, diba?
Pero may
Reserve mo na for now. Well, reserve for no one. Just for yourself.
exactly.
Diba?
Slay. Papaganda yung ating friend mo. Didip-off siya ng kanyang fees.
Oh, para kapag may na.
So, ito pa yung auction ko today.
Ano? Excuse me.
Ito yung auction ko today. Siya.
Ay!
May lahams. Finance.
Napainom na lang.
Oh my
Sa
gosh.
finance. Nasaan ba kasi sa finance?
Diba? Okay, so anong pag-uusapan natin today?
Oh my gosh. Hindi ko din alam. Kamusta yung pagkain na kinain mo?
Okay, so we had Captain Ben's. Kung sino si Captain Ben, I don't know who that is.
Slay. Ang mura ng pagkain nila.
Super. I had this burger, chicken burger, and it's this big. For real. Yung the chicken patty, it's like this big. Or maybe a little. No, mas malaki siya sa hand ko.
Yeah.
It's bigger than my hand.
Maybe mine.
Probably.
Maybe mine.
Dapat pala hindi ko na tinabi. Nakakaya.
Scale yung
Super.
kanyang hand.
Oo. Parang, ay, ganun pala kaliit yung kanyang hand.
Hey, no, it's not maliit. It's cute.
Mas cute siya pag hinawakan niya to. Especially pag nilagyan niya to ng sing-sing.
When?
Ang tanong, who?
Where? Oh my God, where? Where kasi?
Who muna?
Hindi, where muna?
Where?
Hanapin
Okay.
mo muna eh.
Sabi ni Mami, hindi yun hinahanap
I
eh.
mean like, okay, sige nga. Sige na nga. Mami mo na nagsabi. Laban ko dun.
Okay, so wala talaga tayong pinag-uusapan. Okay, by the way, feeling ko ito na yung magiging first official episode natin na public podcast talaga. Bakit ba nagba-vibrate?
Kay ano? Sa mismong account mo?
Yes.
Loveliness?
No, sa life ni Lovely.
Okay.
The public account.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Introduce me.
Okay, so by the way, ako muna, my name is Lovely. That's my real name. Don't ask for my Filipino name because if you ask me that, I would just say maganda. Okay, kayo na bahala mag-decide.
I cannot agree more though.
Ay, nako. Anyways, so I am currently 20 years old and ano pa ba yung gustong malaman ng mga tao about me? I think yun lang yung kailangan yung malaman. Uy, I forgot. But I think it's INF.
Yeah, pares tayo.
J.
INFJ. Pero nung ikaw nung inano ko yung akin, INFJ ako diba?
Maybe next episode, yan yung second episode natin.
Sure.
We're
What's
gonna
your
do the
personality
quiz.
type?
Yes. And then yun yung gagawin namin sa next video.
Okay.
Pero for the meantime, introduction and I don't know what else. Siguro
Expectations sa podcast mo, ganun.
Expectations sa podcast. Just us yapping. Honestly.
For real.
For real.
Nonsense.
So don't expect a lot.
Nonsense and sensical.
For real. I
Conversations,
think
parang
just opinions and our thoughts on things or life updates even. Probably not every nitty-gritty detail, but
We could. But
we could.
We would not.
But we won't.
It's too public.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm. And right now, based in Christchurch, New Zealand. Or actually, we're originally from the Philippines. We're Filipinos, guys. Kumusta kayong lahat?
What's up?
What's up?
What's poppin'?
Ano po ba? Yeah, siguro in the next coming videos, I will introduce myself more and more. You will get to know me more and more. Yes, I don't mind. Diba? I'm very open if you wanna get to know me.
Slide into my DMs. Char.
Please don't. Maybe chill.
Chill.
Let's take it easy.
Kasi hindi rin siya ma-reply.
For real. No, for real. I am the worst texter in the world. Talaga. If you can call me, just call me. But if we're not close, then why would you call me? Diba?
FC.
Right?
Gold ka, gold. Others ka, others.
For real. Unless you have
An appointment
An
with her.
yes.
Lovely, can I book an appointment with you?
Sure.
Can I call it 10:30 ganun?
10:30 tonight. Okay, that's very much available.
Alam mo, kahit anong oras kita tawagan, ako lang yung nire-replyan niya na mabilis.
Super! Tatype ko talaga yan. Pero minsan, super tamad talaga ako. So, i-voice record ko na lang.
Oo, nagpo-podcast siya mag-isa.
Super.
Sabi ko, okay, wait, let me listen to this. I was like, Ganun.
Diba? Minsan, my intrusive thoughts, like random intrusive thoughts, I would literally record it. Especially this morning. That was an intrusive thought. I just woke up and then I
didn't
thought,
even understand. Ano pa nagsasasabi mo?
but I sent it anyways. And I didn't care any less if she understood as
Or
long
not.
as I sent it. I said something. That's it.
Literal nonsense. Isasend niya pa din. Like, girl, may
So,
naman ako.
guys, get a friend who
Ay,
will listen to
papakinggan ko
you.
naman. Papakinggan
Yes.
ko naman.
Get a friend
Magre-reply
like
pa
this.
ako. Mag-react pa ako.
Diba?
Diba?
Who will match your energy and try to be there for you as much as they can.
Ako yun. She's talking about me.
Yeah. Siya lang my constant in life. Thumbnail!
ulit. Ay,
Anyways, that's enough about me. I think if there's more details or information about me that I want to share, maybe in the next video. But for now, this is my best friend, Roanne. Do you want to introduce yourself or do you want me to say some things about you? No, I think you should do it kasi baka you won't like what I'm gonna say eh.
May magagawa ba ako pag nasabi mo na? Nandito naman ako pa sabi, mali yan. Ganun. Okay.
Syempre, i-edit pa natin yung video kasi it's not live. Imagine if this is live then, ooh, that's scary.
Well, okay. I am Roanne Arceo.
A number.
Hey! I'm single. Wait, follow me at Swaggy. Hoy, hindi. Kung hindi kayo gwapo, wag niyo ako.
Slay,
Wag niyo
exactly.
ipa-follow kung hindi kayo
Dude,
gwapo.
best friend ko to, please. Kalma kayo.
Hindi mo ako nakita, please.
Kaya nga. Ayusin
yeah.
nyo.
Ako ay 21 years. Oh, bakit Tagalog? 21 years old. Tarlac. Philippines.
Miss Universe pala to, girl.
Di mo sabi. Sorry. Miss Universe kasi today.
Ay, oo.
Day 2. Day
Miss
2.
you na.
Miss you too. Oh, dapat gano'n. Wala kang best friend na gano'n. Hindi sinasabayan yung energy nyo.
Diba?
Wala kang best friend.
Kami lang to. Yung introduction, umaabot tayo ng 10 minutes,
Oo
no?
nga, introduction 10 minutes. Whole presentation, introduction.
Super!
Paki-edit na lang.
Yes.
But yeah, that's me. Ano pa ba?
Ano pa
Ayoko
ba?
na i-disclose yung information ko. Baka makilala nila ako masyado. Gusto nyo ba malaman kung saan ako nakatira?
If you wanna get to know her, slide into her DMs at Swaggy. If you want her number, you can talk to me. Just
My HR?
super. Send your application, slaptabuena@gmail.com.
Oh my God. But yeah.
With 1x1 picture, yan na.
CV ha, CV dapat. Sabihin nyo bakit kayo deserving,
Hoy! Exactly.
financially stable,
May cover letter.
cover letter,
Bank statement. Passport. Visa. Citizenship.
citizenship,
Loan. everything. Trust fund, finance, 6'5". Trust fund, blue eyes.
Anong kiwi saver mo?
Magkano
Magkano
na?
na? Pag around 20K, okay na. Hoy!
20K? Tuition ko pa lang yun.
Kawawa ka.
Pwede yung akin mga 500K.
500 what? Oh my gosh. May kiwi saver bang ganun? Pumaabot 500K?
Oo. I mean, not Kiwi Saver. Your annual salary.
500K? Ano ka, president?
Doctor!
Ay, really ba? Wait! Pag may doktor na nag-start sa'yo, sabihin mo, like, tinatanong yung pangalan ko. Alam mo na, ha?
Okay, got it. Unless bet ko.
Oo, dapat
Ako
bet
muna.
mo.
Priorities.
Mm-mm.
Pero may doctor na,
Sino doon?
ako, doktor. Magdo-doktor.
Ah.
Magiging doktor.
Doktor ko. Siya pala yung siya pala yung 500K.
Wait nyo lang 5 years.
Sige, 5 years. Kaya ko naman.
Buti ka pa.
Ako lang naman talaga eh.
Wait, actually, we made a pact. When did we do that? Was it
Ikaw
last
nagsabi
year?
eh.
Was it last year? When we turned 20? Anyways, I think that was last year. We made a pact. We were 20 years old. That if we are single at the age of 30, if we have nobody, as in nobody, we would just live together and it's just the two of us with our cats.
We can have like a house full of cats.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe dogs na din.
Yes.
Love some
With my
dogs.
cafe.
Bakery, flower shop.
Yes, exactly. Library.
Tay, ikaw na lang. Ano ba?
Marry me. I do.
Hindi pa kita kayang ngayon eh.
Oo. Hindi
Tayo
pa
mo ba ako?
Yes.
I graduate na ako next year.
I think ako yung kailangan mo hintayin.
Ano ka ba? Nandito na ako the whole time.
She's been there since day 1. Since day 0. She saw the 2018 me. The 2019 me. The 2020.
Up until now.
2021.
2024 na guys.
2022.
Actually, 2017. Hindi mo sinabi 2017.
True.
2017. Magse 7 years na, B.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, kung na tayo magkakilala. Gabi, parang...
Grabe!
Ayun pala. Hoy!
So basically, we grew up together na pala. Like, literal.
Oo, oh my gosh, girl.
Since 14.
I've seen like the naive and innocent you to the grown and beautiful you.
Thanks.
What were you expecting na?
Nothing. Grabe. Akala ko nga you're gonna say ano eh. I didn't even glow up.
Huy, hindi
Huy, so if mag-throwback kami ng photos namin, it's here. I will find one. 2017. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll try to find a 2017 photo of us. We'll put it here. Here. This is
Huy, nene
Roan.
pa kami.
Roan and then me. Or maybe a photo of the both of us.
Yeah.
Tada.
Magkasama naman tayo palagi nun eh.
Okay, I need to find one.
Oh my
Grabe,
God. Sa
nakakahiya.
Facebook. Ni Devi, sa Facebook ni Devi.
I deleted my Facebook.
Ay, ako magsisend sa'yo mamaya.
Like, my current Facebook right now is new.
Uy, hindi mo ko ni-add friend.
No! We're friends on Facebook!
yung bago
I just meant, I had an old Facebook before,
oo, yun din.
but then I deleted it and then I created a new one.
Pero nasa
in-
old account mo yung mga photos.
Yeah, everything. I deleted everything. I deleted the whole account.
Sayang.
I
Si
mean,
Devi.
I'm pretty sure Devi has more photos.
I-stalk namin si Devi mamaya.
But I'm pretty sure she put it in private though.
Aba? Para kanino?
Wait,
Bakit?
everybody does it.
Ako din yun. Pero like
See?
before hindi naman niya yun eh. Paano na lang muna. Debbie, pwede pa i-public yung mga mo, please. Or like
Pwede
friends.
pa, hingi mo na ng password. Kukuha na kami ng photos. I think I have a few ones on my Instagram though. I think. Like, nung nag-sleepover tayo sa bahay
Oo.
nyo. Yung super
Oo.
sponty nun. Oh my gosh.
But,
But,
stress na, di pa kayo tulog.
super! We were talking about
Ilang taon pala tayo
nonsense.
nun?
5th? I mean, I'm
Ako.
probably 15.
2018 ba yan?
I think so.
Magfi-15.
Or magsi-16 ka na nun, sis.
16.
I think. I don't even know.
Oh, wow.
I don't know. No, actually, no. Year 11 tayo 16. Year 10, 2018. 15. We're 15 back then.
Naalala ko pa yun. Yung sinurpress niya ako, no? Yung sa locker.
Oh, yes.
Oo, bad trip ako nun eh.
Bakit?
No, hindi sa inyo. The whole day.
After 7 years, she confessed na bad trip siya. Like,
bad trip ako nung araw ko na yun. Kasi sumasakit yung chan ko nun. Nag-LB. Birthday ko ma-LBM, oh. Ano, bakit? Hindi ka ma-bad trip.
True.
Actually, hindi LBM. Masakit lang yata yung chan ko. Tapos nung surprise!
Oh! Year 10, 2018.
Oh.
Such a weird year.
Do you still remember anything from 2018? I don't. Year 10.
Year 10. I really don't. Year 11, I do remember something. Wink.
Parang kilala ko yan.
Bakit? You mean alam mo, not kilala?
Kilala ko silang lahat.
Really? Ako hindi. Nalimutan ko na kasi.
Kinalimutan? Or nakalimutan?
Yung iba nakalimutan, yung iba kailangan kalimutan.
Dapat lang. Bakit? May trash bin sa utak natin. Dapat declutter.
Super.
Pag di na, importante.
If it doesn't spark your joy, throw it away.
If it's not important, take it out.
Exactly. So, pag nasa utak ko pa, ibig sabihin important.
Not necessarily. Baka naiisip mo lang. Baka nami-miss mo yung memory.
Anyways!
Next episode.
Yes, I think we're gonna hold it there.
Medyo may naririnig.
Getting deep. The flashbacks are flashbacking.
Oo nga, parang introduction lang to.
Yeah, this is just introduction.
Episode 20 na yung
Super! Anyways, I hope na if I really upload this, it will cause joy and not stress to people. But if it causes you stress, then please refrain from watching it. Yeah. And don't take anything too seriously and personal, because this is just us, for real. And we just want to, for me, I just want to use this platform to actually share our moments together and cherish those moments as we go along with our lives. And then looking back, that's us sitting in a car on a random Thursday afternoon somewhere in the city.
Yeah.
Diba?
And our burger and
this is like us in 2024. And then, I don't know, just a diary na rin. I guess. To document our lives, my life. And yeah. So that's us.
Tara ba? I'm gonna deep out.
Okay, adios. Thank you, my loves. Bye.